Hello friends, in our last video we saw how to prompt for understanding the sources and uses of cash. We also asked the model whether it's a good company for investment, and the verdict was kind of wait and watch, do not invest. So that was the kind of verdict we got. So now I'm going to take you through a structured prompt, that is the same cash flow, like what are the sources and uses of cash, but this is the kind of structured prompt what I'm going to give to the model. So I upload the image and I paste the prompt. This will be definitely better than whatever we saw in our previous version. A sort of year-wise dissection. It is giving a year-wise dissection. So key pattern from what overall cash flow trend. It says it is heavily reliant on financing activities. Major sources of cash. Primary inflows were from financing activities. Operating cash flow is inconsistent. This was not the kind of output what you got in our previous prompt. In this prompt, it is more structured and the output also is more structured. Investment activities seem to be major brain. Major uses of cash, yes, it is heavily used in investments. Working capital pressure, that has been like there's no positive operating cash flow, so it's also showing that there's a working capital pressure. Key takeaways shows for investment in assets suggest growth oriented strategies. Concerns, high dependence on financing may not be sustainable. Negative operating cash flow. Concerns, raise concerns about core business profitability. Large investment outflows need to generate sufficient returns because you are investing in capex. It might take some time before the returns come in. So strength and recommendations. So this is more recommendation for the management, which we will not bother about. So in our next video, we will blow up the image. See, whatever we did was that we just gave the 3-line version of the cash flow statement. In our next video, wherever plus is there, we'll click enlarge and make the full cash flow statement available to the model and do the analysis. Till then, bye.